we all got, well, a lot of us have dryers, clothes dryers in our home. I take it we all clean the lint trap? Well, Randy doesn't because he has people doing his laundry for him. Yes, Tracy, his wife, does that for you. But we got an email, and this started me thinking, so I did some more research on this. So we cleaned the lint trap, but, down below the lint trap, there's an area where lint accumulates.
It does indeed.
Yeah, so the lint buildup can be flammable, and also not only in the below where the lint trap is, but also the vent out the back of the dryer. And it can be crushed, the vent in the back, which would create a bigger concern. Also, overheating, which blocked airflow for your dryer. Electrical shorts or gas leaks can be caused by the lint accumulating. Running the dryer unattended or overnight becomes a fire hazard. And older dryers with worn heating elements or thermostats can be an even bigger problem. So one of the things you can do, in addition to cleaning the lint trap, and I saw this, and I'm raising my hand, I'm telling you, I bought it. Amazon, it's a tube, it's $10. It's a tube that attaches to the vacuum, the hose of your vacuum, and then you can insert that, it goes deep into the well of the dryer, and I did this week, and it sucked out, I have one of those container-type vacuum where the stuff goes into it, right? About a third of it was filled with lint that was inside the dryer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'll get in there with, I used to use chopsticks.
Yeah.
And then, the cooking tweezers, the big long ones that you see on the bear and all that. You pull out some stuff and then get the vacuum hose down in there. You always get a bunch of stuff.
Do you wash those chopsticks before you eat them with them next time? Just out of curiosity, because
they're disposable.
Oh, very good. Okay, that's good.
They're disposable.
Well, okay. You never know. Cause you could say to Sherry, "Honey, this food tastes a little
like lint."
Different.
Well,
yeah.
Whenever I make lamb at the house, my mother always says, "Ooh, that tastes woolly." Well, in this case, maybe it would.
Yeah. For $10, I don't have a name for it, but if you do dryer cleaning tool on Amazon, again, it was $10. Look it up.
Yeah.
It was well worth it, and we keep it now every month. I'm going to do it, but
every now and then your dryer starts to not dry things quite as much, and then you get the heart attack. Go, oh my God, I got to buy a new dryer.
Yep.
It's like, no, just clean the lint.
And do clean the lint trap after every load, by the way, in case you're wondering. And then make sure the outside vent is clear. You can blow the vent in. This thing also, if you go outside, of course, you got to take your vacuum outside, and plug it in. But you can suck it from the outside in, which would also.
There's a lot of service companies that also do that.
Yes, they do.
Clean from the inside and out.
They do, but it's going to cost you more than $10.
Yeah.
Listen. I don't mind spending $10, but 80, 100. That okay. I'd rather do it myself.
You think about it twice.
Yeah, but.